Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where in the world you are, and welcome to the Saabs channel. Today we're going to be looking at replacing the boot struts on our 900 here. This also goes for 9000s and other cars with hatchbacks with the same sort of setup. Winter especially tends to make them fail, and this can happen where it's harder to open. And in worst cases, they can fail altogether and just come down and crack you on the head, which is not fun. So to do this, we will need a piece of wood, thusly. If you have an assistant, that's probably even better. But our assistant's holding the camera at the minute. Say hi, Bill.
Hi.
Right. Prop it in somewhere where it's not quite going to slip. So, that's confirmed. And then you need to remove these two clips, one at either end. Just the same both ends. Sometimes you can get away with lifting it up and over and just pulling it off like that. Don't lose the washers. There are some of these still available, but it's just basic nylon washer really. Okay, bottom one's the same as the top, got the same little clip there. If it's a bit difficult to get your finger in there, you can use a flat bladed screwdriver to just lever that out slightly. Slide it up. Just wiggle it out. Once again, there's a nylon washer down there that you don't want to lose. She says, having promptly lost it. We'll find that in a minute. Next thing you need to take this off. You should just carefully wiggle them out, making sure that your wood's secure and keeping your head out of the way. That nicely. There's another washer on the inside on either one of these. And that is your gas strut removed. I think these are probably the original one that's a bit, well, faded and leaky. Not very good. So let's fit a new one. Much better. Right. So that's nice and secure. To slip it on. Just put a clip on there, shall we? Keep it secure while we're fiddling about. See, that doesn't line up. You can just turn it, and if it's a bit too tight, you can use a screwdriver on there. Just turn it around a bit. Like so. Line up with the bottom pin. See, it's a little bit low. Just carefully lift the tailgate a little bit, line it up, slide it on, and you're set. Just pop the clip on, don't forget the washer. And that's that fitted. now. That's more like it. Well, that's it for today, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!